excuse me. Okay, excuse me. These are some thoughts on where man's place to legally fight wars, yeah? It's a man's place to fight wars. Yeah, it's not a woman's, yeah? God made us so-called stronger, and women, men excelling a bit further in strength, and women maybe excelling further in intellectual things, yeah? So when it comes to fighting, as well as the fact of strength, so they could have the baby, and on that grounds, they're two people. Yeah, excuse me, they could be two people, and men, obviously one. Okay, so that's where it comes down to men have to fight wars, yeah, and then you get. Yeah, it's always been, yeah, and things can't change. So it may also link to, excuse me, may also link, look, no manners, yeah? People should uphold manners, etiquette, yeah? At least you got to uphold the pinnacles, the bars, and don't be deceived to be setting new ones, if you're not, okay? And then all things like if the country or the world's under risk, like where I found global warming, yeah, and I said, just put out water. Yeah, and it should cool down, and add the farming, this and that, put up the sky and stuff. I said before in like a video. Yeah, and men can't say, they're going to run, they're going to put women at the window absorbing the light. And then there's all different other things. Well, like women are not no test people, and human rights here. People are not no test people. They say they're releasing criminals or war criminals releasing poison gases. You see what it does, like if it burns your eyes. That's a major war crime. I also got stances, yeah, that war criminals die. You ever go to prison for life, you die. I even tried to arrange a lot of legal prison cities. Yeah. Now you get bagged up on the shelf like Matrix. Because when half the war criminals are shooting, killing, or poison gassing, say, it's undercover. It's poison gas. But it's still killing at the end of the day. And men on the front line say, they're running back. They can pretend to be retailers, cyber workforce, and say, they're cutting image here. It's important image. Not to that. They need to be arrested whilst the plane's getting poison gas and knocked down that they're seen as traitors, and even the aiding and abetting concealing the charges. Excuse me. You think that poison gas as well, like you do need women, military as well as men. Yeah, because there may be some female things, maybe they ain't covered, the men ain't covered, and this and that, yeah? Or if you're so smart and this and that, then you may be legal, that you may be privy to look over some things and see how things are done. Let's go through naming some laws. Yeah, which I normally I used to do more when I was going on like program law of robots and millions of robots or whatever, millions of billions. Yeah, like Alexa, how she got, who knows. So anyway, and Terminators, they now seem to be doing Elon Musk old man dancing videos. So you got military law, because I've even engraved something. Military law, civil law, common law, statutory law, health and safety law, banking law, cyber law, international banking law, continental banking law, even hemispheric banking law. It's 10. You got medical law, health and safety, trading standard law, excuse me, employment law, nuclear law, statutory law, I've said that. That's at 15. You got maritime law, maybe a seafarers law as well as maritime law, and navy law. You got aviation law, space law, subterranean law, subterranean law. And you get broadcasting law, publications law, and authoritative law. You get police law, like laws governing police and the police activities, procedures, stuff. Yeah, and then you get judicial law. Judicial law. May get continental judicial law. All the laws may have a continental, hemispherical, and a worldwide version, like nuclear law, national, continental, hemispheric. Employment law, you get then you get international law, full stop. Employment law, and you get the national employment laws, and then the continental version, and make it the hemispheric, and definitely the worldwide. Yeah, like no slavery. Yeah, no fraudulent labor given, no fraudulent wages, avatars, no dangerous work, like no illegal, life-threatening dangerous work. That's full stop. They're just idiots. Yeah, it's the laws are made of things like sciences, who says ownership. You get laws of ownership, privacy laws, other laws. Yeah, your property laws, land laws, this and that. Yeah, and then you get things like laws of the playground and the law of will, where it's science. Yeah. And things that health and safety won't live, or this and that. Then you get laws of freedom and free will. And now some people say, they want a legal force to advertise something like that. You're breaking the laws within the publication, this and that, and other this and that, and then it's arrestable, finable, Yeah. That's that. Then you get, so your free will has to stay within the law. There isn't no this and that, because your free will may be dangerous, saying, you want a free will, see fire, everyone such. It's not your property. Yeah, and the health and safety and stimulus of that. Yeah, most people understand that, or maybe need to going over the criminal nonsense. Like saying, they want a free will, just take over the country. It's like, say, a week. No. You're obviously a criminal. Yeah? But you're ruining others. So go free will. Same time of thing. Cool. I really frown upon crime. Yeah, the older I've got, since 22, I'm coming up my own 100 meters army tanks and this and that, and finding all war rooms in the sewers and leading up to the boulders and all the crap that almost no one's got an idea about. Your fraud. Yeah, multi-million authorities, all fraud. You try to steal army tank drones or some guy does, that's army tank drones. They don't use people. Yeah, fraud. Yeah, and whilst Al-Qaeda was what's supposed to be in the battlefield, the coalition was with other countries, like they were threatening you with some more other, you guys are putting in poison gas chambers, computers. Like windows, you try to set up poison gas, lights, you try to set up poison gas, it ain't obvious, switches, doors, plugs, you're vibing. And you say, it's just me, but just like the COVID, spreading poison gas in the streets. And this night is a big city. Huh? Maybe I'll cut to it, I didn't ever see. I used to have my map against the wall. Have you even got a map? Can you afford it? Or is that a crime map? Yeah, criminals with crime maps in prison, wherever, they're using it for this and that. It's got to be arrested, part of the evidence. Stolen maps at a police station, this and that, same thing. Yeah. They got stolen thousands of keys, hundreds of house keys and stuff. You gotta be arrested. Yeah, because if you link them to where you converted houses, like say 1,000 of them, convert the house a day, a week, over a year, that's 365,000 houses converted to a poison gas chamber. Yeah. Might be a drill through, could be a beacon in, because they tried to beacon up at the plugs and drains. Yeah, and you gotta be all like, where they sabotage the plugs and sockets in it. To poison gas, blood poison gas, you gotta put a bag on it like that. You gotta set it. Stupid. And then, let's go. And then, any illegal measurement of the houses to blow poison gas for the window, arbor, and pressure. Yeah, then like, why do you know people's house pressure? Like how hot that's a pressure gun out there, man. You're like, oh, you're gonna radio wave some poison gas. Gotta be arrested. As you did an assassin gauge it, first you're gonna sky how far you are, so how big, how speedy, what kind of car is this, now if you got space under the bomb. Yeah. And what else? What's his acceleration? Yeah. If he gets fisty wavy if you try to road rage. Yeah, stuff like that. And you've assassin, you've recon all the way to Brink, and then tries, excuse me, setting things up. David assassination, but you'll be arrested. And then if you tried this, you've been illegally applying. Now, I've engraved before, and I counted them up. More than 160 laws, yeah? I barely went over 40. There's more than 160 major law sectors. Yeah. And, yeah, that, I can't remember, that was with or about the continental hemispheric worldwide versions of them laws. I don't think it was. Yeah, because you get things like utilities and stuff like that. And other laws, trading standards, health and safety, medical, laws of even careering. Yeah, all professions got a law. Trades and guilds have got laws. And then you get insurance law. And this and that can lead me on to another point that I have a political or other view about, like how many authority are legally trying to steal millions of insurance and the taxes, as in, like I said, 1,000 of the regiments, just say it's 25,000 in the borough, and if they turn dirty, living in sewage, blood sewage, and trying to cyber hack and all nonsense, and even heat, you know what I'm saying? They heat up the place, it's gonna blow in the window and cause people ill and shit. And then you pretend to do jobs like your electrician, and then the poison gas in through the lights. Like, what is it, James Bondville? They must see what? Yeah. Frauds. Criminals, frauds, deserters, rebels, the warrant been hung and quartered. And all stuff like that. We tried the Holocaust. It's been 18 years since I did my army tanks. And the building crane guns. See what building crane is? And get rockets going up like do 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 do, and heavy machine guns, anti-aircraft, ta 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 ta. World War II. Yeah, as well as like rockets, and that's why you're trying to make actually listen that about Ukraine, because the crane section in Ukraine, everyone wants the building crane guns because they're game changers. They stop suckers, stop jumbos, stop little bits of time, stop little bit of that. You understand? There's times they're taking out walking, supposedly with real burning crane guns or whatever, and you ain't even doing guns also. What do guns also? Motorcycle army tanks and the police sirens and stuff. I remember they go, yeah, I did that, yeah, I did that, yeah, I did that. Is it? Front. You can't fool the bicycle lights on the missiles, yeah. Declaring the air path, yeah. Declare the air path when it comes down here, say, like, who is it when it comes? Yeah. So anyway, you part, you're walking. Don't try to steal my stuff. Excuse me. You try to steal my stuff. Yeah, like luggage train army tanks. Little luggage train, army tank, road train, buster. You what came out with them. Yeah, it's where truck to truck. I got a theme. It's caravan, pull with HTV. Stuff like that. Another thing. As well as individual trucks, buses, and jumbos converted to army tanks. I'm going to 2006 days. Then you try to play some bullshit because there's supposed millions of them. Don't believe violence society tank 206. You try, 2006 didn't that. That's more than near the time of Jesus Christ. 1800 years ago. No, 2006. I was 22 years old. I was born in 1984. I even come up with my own build planet making machine. Planet making nuclear inflation is not just in building crane guns. Yeah. And then things like got a lot of like 100 meters army tanks. So that Billiken guns. Okay. Army tank road chains, farming cities. Because I worked out, it takes city farming for city food. How can you feed a city? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday food, this is not without a city food. Yeah. So if you live in one room, whatever,